Have you ever noticed multiple pages of your website ranking for the same keyword? Like check out this example where I search backlink analysis and I'm getting 2 web pages of Neil Patel's website. Well, the idea sounds great, right? After all, the more pages you have in search result, the higher impression and clicks you should get ideally, right? Well, that isn't the case. Targeting a specific keyword across multiple pages has the complete opposite effect. You end up doing more harm than good to your SEO for that keyword. The logic is simple. When you have multiple pages for the same keyword on SERP, you force your pages to compete with each other. Also, you're confusing both search engines as well as users. This results in having a lower CTR, diminished authority, and lower conversion rates that one consolidated page might have for a specific search term. This concept is called keyword cannibalization. Now let's look into how to easily find instances of keyword cannibalization for both your targeted keywords and real queries from Search Console that are driving traffic to your website. The first method works for all RankWatch new users as well as existing and is based on real queries driving traffic to your website. For this, under Research on RankWatch, go to Console Module. Here select the Search Console account. Just in case if you're not connected any account, click on the plus icon to add here. You will be linking your Google account with which you have created your website Search Console account. Once done, select the property here. We will be analyzing paths cake, so I've selected that. Then select the date range. We recommend a minimum of 6 months of date range. So I'll select from January till July end. Then we got more options here, country and device. I'm keeping it as global, but if you want you can change it as per your business service country. With devices you can further refine it on the basis of desktop, mobile or tablet. I'll keep it as all and then click on search. Once the report is ready, you'll find all the primary key performance indicators like total impressions, clicks, click-through rate, and keyword performance matrix along with positions. If you click on any of these, the filter will get applied and you will see refined results for that selected factor. Like the keyword that have stopped ranking on Google within top 100 position. RankWatch basically puts your search console on steroids and provides you an analysis report which you won't find on Search Console dashboard. The table below shows all the queries PassGeek has ranked in last 7 months of duration, a total of 939k search queries. Also, the data is not just shown on the basis of queries. Under pages, you will find all your data around your ranking URLs. Here for PassGeek, we are getting total 273k URLs which showed up on search results in the last 7 months. So with this tool, you will be able to access all your thousands up to a million of queries and URLs that bring traffic to your website, not limited to just 1000 rows like you get on Google Search Console. And with this method, you'll maintain a lifetime repository of your valuable data till the time you keep your account connected with RankWatch. Now let's go back to our keywords tab. Here under the table, you get hold of each search query of your website mapped with all the URLs ranking for it to help you identify keyword cannibalization on enterprise scale, along with all the key parameters like your average position, total number of clicks, impressions, your click-through rate to check the impact of cannibalization. Let's pick one keyword here, AutoPaths Online. Under ranking URL count, in total 18 URLs are competing for the same keyword. Let's click on this and sort the impressions by high to low. If you watch closely the pages that have good position, then the actual performing page, which is the home page, they have extremely low CTRs since they are not solving the user intent and sabotaging the growth of the home page. If someone is searching for auto paths online, they wish to see all available options like the home page serves, and the user will not click on the brand specific pages like the BMW, Chevrolet, right? If the cannibalization issue is resolved, the home page position will improve. It will get higher impressions and drive more clicks and conversions for this website. Just to prove my observations here again, let me show you how the secondary URLs position move on the Search Console dashboard. I've kept the settings same as that on RankWatch. Let's select a keyword AutoPaths Online, go to pages. Let's select the Chevrolet make page. So you can see a clear day-by-day position movement and fluctuation which happens when Google is confused about whether to rank a URL of your website for a specific keyword or not. Watch how the orange line disappears on some days. And this is not just because these pages might have appeared as a site link extension on Google. If that was the case, the position will be same for all the secondary URLs and the homepage position. Also, we got this under daily tracking on RankWatch, and it captures the snapshot of the SERP results. And there was no such scenario. So this clearly means that Google is confused to rank or not to rank this URL. Let's move back to RankWatch Console. Here all the instances of keyword cannibalization are served on platter, which you can export and start working on optimizations. Also under pages, find URLs of your website, solving a wrong search intent and ranking for wrong search queries with ease. And rework on the content along with other on-page factors to drive more relevant traffic to your website. Here all the real search queries grouping is automatically done and ready to use. This data will also help you refine your site structure and better content planning. Now let's talk about the second method of finding keyword cannibalization instances specifically for your targeted keywords. Go to the ranking overview dashboard and select rankings. From the top again select minimum 6 months and scroll down. Under table settings, select rank, ranking URL, previous rank, previous ranking URL, search volume and share of voice. Then click on apply. You can spot instances of keyword cannibalization marked exclamation where your ranking URL changed and was something else earlier. I like to work on spreadsheets, so we'll be downloading the data by clicking on export and selected columns. Wait for a few seconds and then you can find the report at the very top under the download button. Click on it and the CSV will get downloaded. To work more conveniently, I've uploaded the CSV on Google Drive and opened it as a Google spreadsheet. This is what report looks like. Now let's add an additional column and name it cannibalization. And apply a simple formula. I'm checking just one condition here. If my current ranking URL is same as my previous ranking URL. So use equal to current ranking URL equal to previous ranking URL. If both the URLs are same, I'll get a value true, and if not, I'll get a false. Apply it on all the rows. Now let's apply a filter on this main field row. Click on create a filter. From cannibalization column, select only false since we wish to see where the ranking URLs changed. Then filter down and remove above 100 rankings from previous rank here and the current ranks. You can further filter the results on the basis of search volume or share of voice, which is basically traffic, from high to low just to set the priority of the work right. Now all the URLs that you see have two URLs competing against each other on SERP and diminishing authority of each other, which needs to be addressed. Do let us know in the comments below if you like this flag feature of highlighting the changed ranking URL to help you identify cannibalization instances. We will get an easy filter option created so you can work directly on the dashboard and downloading and working on CSV is not needed anymore. Now we know which pages are contributing to cannibalization and for which queries. Let's see how you can fix the issue. The first method is merging pages. If two pages are solving the same search intent, then merging them together and forming a long form content page makes better sense. If I look into Pulse Geek review search query, let's click on ranking URLs. The two pages customer reviews 1.html and reviews.html are internally competing for the same search query. And clearly customer reviews 1.html is delivering better results, good clicks, click-through rate and impressions than reviews.html page. It will be a better idea to merge the content of reviews.html, which is just a form and a few reviews, and then 301 redirect the page to customer reviews 1 page. Also do check the quality and the quantity of links competing pages have to decide on which page is the higher authority page. Use RankWatch's Backlink Analyzer tool for this purpose. Additional factors are which page gets more impressions, clicks and has better position. Then move the content of lower authority page to the higher authority page and then 301 redirect the lower authority page. The second method is reworking on the on-page factors if both pages are solving different search intent. Let's go back to our previous analyzed query, auto parts online. Here all the brand pages like BMW, Chevrolet can't be merged and they are solving different search intent. So we will have to remove the frequency of the main search query, auto parts online, from these pages whose intent is different. RankWatch SEO IQ feature will also come handy since it gives you a refined LSI, which is latent semantic indexing, and the ideal frequency of the phrases you should be using on any of the targeted page of your website. Along with that, it also analyzes 40 plus on-page parameters, which includes your meta title description along with schema that you should be using on your landing page. So rework onto these areas and remove the search term from those landing page whose intent is different. Also do check on the internal links and anchors and see if the search query is not used there or the main page targeting that query is not linked with the secondary page you are optimizing. The third method is deleting the low authority page. If the page is just an outdated version and is of no value and simply cannot be repurposed for any other search intent or merged with any other page, get rid of it. Also, before deleting, see if the page has some authority, some backlinks built, and if yes, do not forget to 301 redirect it to your main page. Fourth method is using canonical tag. If you do not wish to merge or delete the page contributing to cannibalization, then in such scenarios, you can place a canonical tag on it indicating the search engine the main targeted page you wish to rank for a specific query. On pathgeek.com, for search query pathgeek reviews, you see customer reviews 1.html and other pages like customer reviews 6.html, customer reviews 10.html are also ranking, which is basically the result of pagination. Place a canonical tag on it indicating the search engine the main targeted page so that they do not compete with each other on SERP and diminish authority. Here's another example of using canonical tag. On All About Fabrics, if I select fabric type, let's pick cotton and scroll down, they got good content at the bottom of the page. Now let's go a little up. Now from the sidebar, if I select African, the filtered page that loads contains the same content. Let's look into the source code now. Notice how the webmaster of this website have smartly placed canonical tag on this filter page pointing to the main cotton collection page. If this was not the case, this filtered page might have been competing for the same keyword like that of the main cotton collection page, since the content is same here. And Google might have also penalized them for having internal content duplicacy. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more SEO tips and hacks.